Welcome to a journey unlike any other, a journey into the life and teachings of one of the most influential spiritual figures of modern times, Paramahansa Yogananda. In this video, we explore the timeless masterpiece Autobiography of a Yogi, a book that has transformed millions of lives with its profound wisdom and universal truths. From miraculous encounters with saints to the ancient practice of Kriya Yoga, from the sacred bond between a guru and disciple to the merging of Eastern spirituality with Western understanding, this story is more than an autobiography, it's a guide to self-realization and inner peace. Prepare to immerse yourself in a tale of divine miracles, spiritual insights, and the limitless potential of the human spirit. Whether you're seeking inspiration, enlightenment, or simply a moment of reflection, this journey is for you. Let's uncover the wisdom of Autobiography of a Yogi and discover how it continues to light the path for seekers around the world. Yogananda begins his tale in the small Indian town of Gorakhpur, where his childhood is filled with spiritual curiosity and mystical experiences. From a young age, he is drawn to the divine, often meditating and seeking out holy sages. His search leads him to the feet of his revered guru, Swami Sri Yukteswara, whose profound wisdom shapes his spiritual awakening. Through rigorous discipline, Yogananda learns the sacred art of Kriya Yoga, a powerful technique for spiritual evolution. The narrative unfolds with encounters that seem beyond the boundaries of ordinary reality. Yogananda shares captivating stories of miraculous healings, saints with extraordinary powers, and his own divine experiences, such as visions of cosmic consciousness and communion with God. Each encounter carries a deeper spiritual lesson, offering insight into the infinite potential of self-realization. The story takes a pivotal turn when Yogananda is called to fulfill a divine mission, to bring the teachings of yoga and spiritual enlightenment to the West. In 1920, he arrives in America, delivering his first lecture at the International Congress of Religious Liberals in Boston. This marks the beginning of his lifelong dedication to sharing the timeless wisdom of the East with Western audiences. Yogananda's journey through America is both challenging and triumphant. He establishes the Self-Realization Fellowship, bringing the ancient science of Kriya Yoga to seekers worldwide. He builds a spiritual bridge between East and West, fostering unity through his teachings of universal truth, love, and meditation. His humorous anecdotes, unshakable faith, and devotion to God inspire countless souls. Interwoven throughout the book are profound spiritual principles, the power of meditation, the importance of self-discipline, and the ultimate realization of our oneness with the divine. Yogananda's words are imbued with a timeless wisdom that transcends religious boundaries, emphasizing that the essence of all spiritual paths leads to the same ultimate truth. One of the most touching aspects of the autobiography is Yogananda's relationship with his guru, Sri Yukteswara. Their bond is a testament to the transformative power of unconditional love and guidance. Through their teachings, Yogananda learns to master the mind, transcend material illusions, and surrender to the divine flow of life. Yogananda also shares glimpses of his encounters with other spiritual luminaries, including Mahatma Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore, and Therese Neumann, a Catholic mystic. These exchanges highlight the universal truths that bind all faiths, showcasing the interconnectedness of humanity in the quest for divine understanding. The book concludes with Yogananda's reflections on the eternal nature of the soul. He reassures readers that the journey toward enlightenment is open to all who seek it with sincerity and devotion. His message is clear. Through meditation, self-realization, and the practice of love and service, we can transcend the limitations of the material world and discover our true essence as divine beings. Autobiography of a Yogi is more than a memoir. It's a spiritual roadmap, guiding readers to awaken their inner potential. Yogananda's life is a testament to the power of faith, perseverance, and the transformative journey of self-discovery. This timeless classic continues to inspire millions, inviting us to embark on our own journey toward the infinite. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey through Autobiography of a Yogi, the life story of Paramahansa Yogananda. His teachings remind us that the path to self-realization is open to all who seek it with sincerity and devotion. As we reflect on Yogananda's experiences, from his encounters with saints to his mission of bridging East and West, we are reminded of the infinite potential within each of us to connect with the divine. Let this story inspire you to explore your own spiritual path, embrace meditation, and discover the limitless power of love, faith, and inner peace. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to continue exploring more wisdom, inspiration, and timeless teachings. Until next time, may you find joy, harmony, and light on your journey. Stay blessed.